Alright, so that's pretty much it. As far as cleaning this up, there are a few others, little stragglers here and there. This is a very meditative process. It's so meditative to just sit and work with the tree. It allows you to focus on the tree. It allows you to focus on your life. I don't have a podcast playing right now. It's just me and the crows outside. My dog is behind me. And I'm just breathing. And it's a reminder that that's the enjoyable part about bonsais. You're training the tree, and the tree is also training you. It's really beautiful. I really like that part of the process, which is hard to do whenever you're making videos about the process, because you want to describe what's happening, why you were doing it, while you were doing it. But it definitely takes away from this. At least for me it does, at this time. Which is one of the many reasons why I don't put out so many videos these days. It's not a conscious effort. It's just that when I get to working on a tree, and I think about having to go grab my camera, thinking about the video editing, I've got a lot of footage, I just haven't taken the time to edit it. But it kind of takes me away from this. And I hope that whatever you're doing within your own bonsai practice, that you are also training the tree and allowing that tree to also train you. There's a lot more work that needs to be done on this. I don't think I'm going to be the one to do it. I think I'm going to let go of this tree, sell this one, and let somebody else enjoy what I've been working on for the past dozen years or so. And I think that will be enjoyable for them too. I hope it does bring them pleasure. Little spiders here and there. I hope that you have enjoyed this video of a few trees that needed some winter work done. Like and subscribe, because there's always more to come. Thanks for watching.